Here's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.